Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace Lexus ES350 wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades, a small flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth. Park your vehicle on a level surface and turn off the ignition. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. This prevents the arm from snapping back and potentially damaging your glass. Proper preparation makes the entire process much smoother and safer for you and your vehicle. Now let's remove the old blades. Carefully locate the small tab or button on the wiper blade connector where it attaches to the arm. Press this tab firmly and slide the old blade straight off the wiper arm hook. It might require a little wiggle. Always hold onto the wiper arm securely during this step. You don't want the metal arm to accidentally snap back against your windshield, which could cause significant damage. Take your time here. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the hook until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked into place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's firm. Once both new blades are attached, carefully and slowly lower the wiper arms back onto the windshield surface. Avoid dropping them. Finally, let's test your new wiper blades. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield washer fluid to ensure the blades clear the glass effectively and smoothly. Look for any streaks or missed spots. For optimal performance and longevity, remember to regularly clean your wiper blades with a damp cloth. This removes dirt and grime that can degrade their effectiveness. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.